How to sign up on Bank of America. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser and go to bankofamerica.com. Now here on the left hand side you have the option to log in, so enter your user ID, then enter your password. Check this box that says save user ID if you want to save your credentials. Then you want to click on the login option. If you have forgotten your ID or password, click on this link. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one by clicking on the open an account option. Once you click on this option, you're going to find different plans that you can choose from. So if you want it for checkings and savings, then simply click on the very first option. Click on Get Started here. Now from here as well, you have different plans. Click on Open Account. Once you have clicked on open account for these various plans, you will have to enter your zip code. So do that and then select your country. Then click on the go button. Now here, if you want to add a Bank of America Advantage saving account, click on this option. Otherwise, you can click on the second option. Now, if you have a code, check this box and enter the offer code. If you already have an account previously, check this box as well. Then click on Go to Application. If you do not have an account, you can simply uncheck that box as well. When you uncheck the box, you will have to start from the beginning and enter all your personal information such as first name, middle name, last name, then enter your date of birth. Now for the contact information, add your address. So fill up all of these details, then enter your phone number. You can choose whether the phone number is for mobile, home, or work. Now the next step is to enter your email address. Re-enter it again for confirmation. Now here for residency, you have to select if you are a US citizen. If you are, you need to enter your social security number. If you are not, you have to select your country and some other information as well. After finishing this up, you can select your employment and finances option. So select if you are employed or not, then your occupation as well. Now you have to enter your company details if you work in a company. Now if you want to add a co-applicant, you can check this box and then you will have to enter all the details about your co-applicant as well. Once that is done, scroll all the way down and click on the continue option. Now after you click on the continue option, you will have to set up your account, then accept the terms and conditions, then finally review and submit your bank account request, and then your new account will be created. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.